Andrew. I have a GPU cluster at home, and so I get to play with a lot of cool video generation. So we do a lot of that, but I've never built an iOS app. And we have a progressive web app for one of my clients called Mad Kitchen. We've been struggling with making the actual app itself. So I went through and vibe coded a Swift web app we basically took the progressive web app that we currently have, and you'll be able to go to a restaurant and say, I'm a vegetarian, I want vegetarian food, and it changes the whole menu. And so we have clients that we're onboarding, and part of that is now an actual simulator that we're using that you can say, I want food it's literally still building. So the part that I have working is, I want food that's less spicy, I want no sweetness, I like lots of sour, I like lots of herbal, and this is an actual iOS rendering of the progressive web app that we currently have, but it's for people. So there'll be actually a part on the back end for like operators and people with multiple restaurants, so they'll be able to monitor their entire restaurant, all their back end and fridge temps and all kinds of stuff.